Hey guys, it's your Beard, and in case any of you have seen these Apimaye hives, plastic hives, insulated, and are interested in using wax foundation, you can get them with these nice handy frames. All you have to do to install a foundation, pop these apart. Sometimes they come apart real easy, but if not, you can use a screwdriver, a plastic trim tool, or if you're lazy and near the kitchen, a butter knife. Just run it along, pop it open. Now, I opted to get some wired foundation from Dayton. Um, you can use unwired. These braces in the middle will add a little bit of support for you. And all we have to do now is take our wax foundation, place it on one half, remove the paper, make a mess for somebody else, and now line it up. Line it up right with the bottom here, and take the other half, lay it on top. Don't press down just yet. You can slide it back and forth if you have to. Line it up just the way you want it. And then starting in the middle here, working our way out, and just clamp it down. Flip it over, clamp it down, and then go around the edges, make sure it's nice and tight. That's all there is to it. Rinse and repeat.